So asking for a raise might not work. You learn you know it's not a good fit, and you start looking someplace else. The very first thing to do, or actually not do, don't quit yet. It's always easier to find a new job when you have a job. Clean up your resume, update your LinkedIn profile, start sending out some feelers to people you know. If you're young or relatively new to the workforce, reach out to mentors and other adults you trust. Ask your parents for introductions. Get some advice from folks that might be able to open some doors for you. Let them know you're looking for a new opportunity. At this point, I'd be very careful posting the fact publicly on social media or something like that, that you're looking. A fellow employee or your employer might actually see it. So be careful doing that. When you're ready, you want to start researching job boards. The best place to start, in my opinion, are Indeed.com and Monster.com. These are great general purpose boards. You can find a lot of remote jobs at flexjobs.com. You can find a lot of startup jobs at angel.co. You can find hourly work at snagajob.com and management jobs at theladders.com. So you want to look very carefully at the qualifications for jobs that you're finding interesting. Are there things you don't currently know but could learn quickly or could learn pretty easily? Are you looking for jobs you qualify for? Are you building your own learning plan as you're looking for these jobs? You can, while you're looking for jobs, see what the qualification requirements are, see where you might run a little bit short, and write down some skills that you could learn that might lead you to a higher income. Then go to Khan Academy or Udemy or LinkedIn Learning or Skillshare and start learning and building those skills. This learning, lifelong learning, isn't a sometimes thing. It's an always thing. This is something you want to be thinking about doing forever. Now, if you know how to do a thing, make sure you say you know it. In today's job market, you don't necessarily need a certificate to prove competency. Obviously, don't lie because they may test you on it. And be careful even stretching the truth, because if they give you a problem you can't solve, it will easily show that you don't know what you're talking about. Finally, just before you apply for any job, visit Glassdoor to research companies and compensation. You want to know the salary ranges, the types of jobs you're applying for in the geographies in which you're applying. A financial planner in San Francisco gets paid differently than a financial planner in South Dakota or Iowa.